Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 435D M Sport GRAN COUPE presented in Astral Blue. And alongside that, you will of course see around the vehicle we've added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car, and the vehicle is further enhanced by these beautiful 704M alloy wheels. They are 19-inch and they are presented in the original Bi-Orbit grey and are in fantastic condition throughout. Situated behind those wheels you will see the M Sport Plus brakes. And again, that does mean on this car we've got the full BMW M Sport Plus package, and at the front of the car you'll see there it's a 2017 67 reg. It does also come complete with the BMW 4 Series facelift. Down the side of the car we've got the gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, and as you can see there, thanks again to the M Sport Plus pack, we get the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. It's a very nicely presented vehicle. It's also a low mileage car, and we'll show you that in a bit more detail shortly. For the interior, we've got a very nice black Dakota leather once again with electric movement, memory and heated seat function. Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7, again always a very sought after option, and again also included in that M Sport Plus pack. 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and of course being the biggest diesel engine for the 4 Series range currently, we've also got that X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. Isofix 3-seat rear bench, centre folding armrest, and again lovely presented in the back here. We've also got that gorgeous darkened M Sport headlining, which works ever so well with this lovely lighter exterior colour. Around onto the back of the car, where again we can show you these lovely example alloy wheels, which come all the way around with the premium mixed run flat tyres. For this 4 Series we've added a satin rear boot spoiler and a gloss rear diffuser. And as you can see, the X-Drive and 435D badges on the boot. You also get an automatic opening and closing tailgate, and there you can see just how large that area is. It also comes with split folding seats along with removable top and bottom partial shelves should you require any further room. As you can see there, again a nice part to the facelift is those LED rear lights that are looking a lot sharper. And again, the Astral Blue really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at your next car, alongside being an exceptionally clean and tidy example. And I'm going to move on inside the car shortly to just run yourselves through a couple of the interior details in a bit more depth. Starting of course with the memory controls there. We've also got that very nice professional wide navigation and media screen. Furthering more onto that, this is the Professional Plus. By Professional Plus we do of course mean it is all touchscreen. So as you can see there, I can swipe between the different widgets and screens. However, if you're not a fan of touchscreen, don't fear, because down here we've still got the traditional iDrive scroll wheel. Starting the car up, I'll just run you through a couple of those screens. Really nice and easy to use, starting with media and radio. Of course you get DAB, music collection. We've also got a few more down here. You'll see there we've got CD, DVD, USB and Bluetooth audio of course. Going back to the communication screen, this is of course where you'll pair your devices for Bluetooth audio and telephone, as you can see across there. Again, going back to the main menu, the next one is of course the navigation screen, which again, using this touchscreen really does enhance the whole experience of that, as you can scroll across to different destinations. We can even tap to a set destination and then ask the navigation to start guidance to that specific point, or even save it as a favorite, something that I really enjoy. But again, if we're not a fan of that, we can still use our iDrive wheel. Going back to the vehicle itself, as I mentioned, it's a very low mileage example. It's covered just over 17,000 miles. So in terms of the servicing for the car, again I'm going to use the iDrive wheel for this bit as it's a little bit easier. 10,000 miles till next service. And the service history for the vehicle is full BMW service, including a pre-delivery inspection service. Now we showed you that. Again, we've also got the Connected Drive Plus for the car, utilising online search, news and weather functions, all powered via Google, keeping you connected on the go, meaning you don't have to pull over to use your mobile phone safely. You can use this on the go and it does not use any of your own data. We've got high beam assist, as you can see over here as well. So what we have is a lovely low mileage, very clean and tidy 435D M Sport GRAN COUPE, and of course been very nicely finished off with that YNC Mperformance body styling kit, and of course those very eye-catching alloy wheels. Thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you found it useful and enjoyed it. Further information, of course, if you check the link in the description, take you through to our website, where there you can view the car in a bit more detail alongside funding options, prices, along with a few other options as well. Thank you guys, take care, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.